Sri Vijay, a famous film star in Tamil Nadu, who is known as Junior Dalapati as well. He started a political party by name Tamilaga Vetri Kazhagam. It was started on 2nd February 2024. There was not much program thereafter. But recently it was found that he participated in an Istar Virindu. When we see his face, his gestures, etc., it is very clear that he is not happy in participating in that program. He was not participating on his own volition in it. Might have been due to the compulsion, recommendation or advice of somebody else. He might have been participating in it. There are valid reasons for not for his full cooperation in it, jubilation in it, because he knows that the Muslim community is favoring DMK. DMK is the political party which is against BJP. So, the Muslim community will not permit that their vote share would get shattered and separated and gone to different political parties. And Stalin is also bent upon in criticizing Sanatana Dharma political party, BJP, etc. His son Udayanidhi Stalin has declared that Sanatana Dharma is a virus. It has to be wiped off.
கொசு, டெங்கு காய்ச்சல், மலேரியா, கொரோனா இதையெல்லாம் நம்ம எதிர்க்கக்கூடாது, ஒழித்து கட்ட வேண்டும். அப்படிதான் இந்த சனாதனம்.
That was the stance. And moreover that, the Maha Kumbh Mela had ended in successful. That success of Kumbh Mela has become a threat to the parties, organizations, etc., who are not favoring the integrity of this country. This has become a nightmare to them. So, and the Hindu has also become very vigilant about the threats which are being posed against it, and the tendency to have more close contacts and affiliation with BJP had grown due to this Kumbh Mela as well. So there is no chance for Vijay to get Hindu votes to his political party. Now the situation is that he will not be getting Muslim vote because of his participating in this iftar, and that had given a doubt in the mind of the Hindus that he is also supporting the Islamic fundamentalism. So Hindus will also be reluctant to vote in his favor in the ensuing political elections in our country. Now another thing, the Vijay has no background, no platform. It is quite sure that M.G. Ramachandran, Jayalalitha, etc. were successful in politics. M.G. Ramachandran was DMK, and because of his difference of opinion with Karunanidhi, he broke that political party and formed Anna DMK. So, he had got a platform, he was having a good number of supporters, etc. So, he could win in the election. And Jayalalitha, who was so close and associates, and she has become, or she has proved herself that she is a matured politician and very capable lady. These are all the success for them. But at this juncture, we should remember that Shivaji Ganeshan, who was a very famous actor, he started a political party by name Tamilaga Munnetra Munnani. That was started in 1988, February 10th, and his party has come to an end in December 1989 itself. Party contested in elections. Even he himself got only less than 1,000 votes in that election. And so Vijay may be facing the very same fate because he has no political background, he has no structure behind him, and above all, now he has become a laughing stock. Now we can see in Tamil Nadu that there are trolling from different corners against him.
அடுத்த வருஷம் இதே மாதிரி வந்துருவேன், மறக்காம போட்டோங்க.
ஒயிட் கலர் டேப்பு, அதுதான் சஃபோடைய டைப். அதனால உங்க இடத்துல அந்த மார்க்கை பார்த்து உங்க சஃப் அமைச்சிக்கிங்க.
പിന്നെ നാട്ടുകാരെ ബോധിപ്പിക്കണം.
Being a single leader, nobody who is known in Tamil Nadu or somewhere any other place is behind him. So there is no chance for Vijay to become successful in politics either in Tamil Nadu or in any other state. So it is better for him to have a better alliance with a strong political party in Tamil Nadu if he is serious of being in politics and getting power politically as well.